Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video, we're going to briefly discuss music licenses in Thailand with respect to the F&B industry. This is more specific to like restaurants, pubs, entertainment venues. Unlike other videos with respect to alcohol licensing, food licensing, tobacco licensing, which is discussed in another video on this channel, this video is basically going to provide a brief overview of music licensing in Thailand, which is something of a horse of a different color when you compare it to, say, alcohol license. An alcohol license is a license from the government to sell alcohol in the kingdom within the various laws as are statutorily enacted in the country. Essentially, alcohol licensing allows, a restaurant, a bar and grill, whatever, to go ahead and serve patrons who are of age alcohol. And this is basically it's occurring and it's a licensure between an individual or a company, a private entity, and the government. The public entity being the government. Music licensing is a little bit different because what you're being licensed on, or what you're getting a license for with respect to a music license, is the right to use and sort of publicly, within the confines of one's business area, pub, again, restaurant, whatever, entertainment venue, to go ahead and play music. And what we're talking about is copyrighted music here. So, basically, there are certain companies here in Thailand that provide licensing rights to go ahead and play certain types of music, which are delineated in each one of those entities, for lack of a better word, sort of songbook, if you will. And you're basically getting a license, a limited sort of license within those artists' copyright to basically put on that music in one's venue. Again, it's sort of markedly different than licenses pertaining to the government, because you're not exactly going to the government, but failure to have one of these licenses could result in a complaint being made and government intervention in the form of, say, law enforcement basically coming in and saying, look, you're in violation of copyright laws here in Thailand because you don't have a license to play whatever the copyrighted material at issue is that you happen to be playing. You being, the entity, the bar, the pub, the restaurant, the entertainment venue at issue. So a music license is a slightly different thing from an alcohol or a tobacco license, or even a health and safety, health and sanitation license. But with respect to music licenses here in Thailand, they are highly recommended if one runs a venue such as that described. It's pretty ubiquitous. You almost have to have music if you're going to have something like a pub or an entertainment venue or a restaurant. I guess it's possible maybe to not have it with a restaurant, but it's just a very good, very highly recommended idea to go ahead and have a music license if one is going to be running an establishment such as that described.